What's going on, y'all? It's JP Medic, and today I'm going to be giving you guys the paramedic review of the Survivorx First Aid Kit. Now, first thing I want to mention is this is a non-biased opinion. I am not being paid to make this video. If they want to sponsor me, that'd be great. But I figured that since this is being sold to civilians as a paramedic, I could really give some form of insight into not only how to use what gear, but also give it a rating from a scale of 1 to 5 as to why you should purchase this product rather than the run-of-the-mill Walmart first aid kit, which is still beneficial. Now, the scale is going to go from 1 to 5 with a favorite pick of my own, which I already have in mind. 1 is going to be, you can find that in the, run-of-the-mill everyday first aid kit. 5 is going to be ding, ding, ding. I would definitely purchase this because you're probably not going to find the same product for a similar price.
Also, to my fellow EMS creators, if you don't already know, ER Apparel on TikTok, hook me up with the shirt. I'm going to add them down below. Talk to them for all of your merch needs. They're really, really good. This is really, really good quality. And it look good, don't it? This is a nice color of it.
In the bag, things are named so you can see exactly what you have coming in your first aid kit. Now, the very first thing I want to talk about is this CPR kit. I made a video on it. This, to me, is a 5. We're going to start off strong. Again, we're going to start off strong. And the reason why I say it's a 5 is because 1, you have gloves that comes in your pack. You have a mask that'll help you breathe for your patient while somebody else is doing CPR. But also, if you ever get lost, there is a guide on how to do what. Here, I'll even zoom in. There's a guide on how to do adult CPR as well as child CPR. Huge, huge. Now, of course, the first thing you want to do in an emergency situation is call 911, call for help, all of that good jazz. But this is for specific situations where you may not be able to call 911 or they're going to take a lot longer than expected. Next, you have a plethora of antiseptic wipes. Not going to lie, this is going to get 1. Every first aid kit should have these, as well as antibiotic ointment, triple antibiotic ointment. We're going to give that like a 2. Most first aid kits have that, but this is really interesting. Fever scan strip, and I'd give this like a 4. That's actually really, really cool. You have a different assortment of gauze sizes for, let's say, bleeding, and after you put a dressing on it. Nope. You do have an assortment of wound care options. You do have an assortment of wound care options. You have a whole bunch of gauze of different sizes, as well as the pads to place on the injury. I'm going to give this a 3 because of the sheer amount of wound care that you are provided. Now, triangle bandages. I'm going to give this a 5. I have personally not seen any first aid kits with triangle bandage. If you want to see how to actually apply the triangle bandage, I would definitely leave a follow and like this video. Comment down below triangle bandage. I'll make a video on it. 1. Cooling patch. 2. Mask. 1. And last but not least, I'm going to give you guys my favorite piece of equipment in this first aid kit, SAM splint and ACE bandage. Now, me personally, I have never seen a SAM splint in a first aid kit unless it was another paramedic's first aid kit. I wonder where he got that, or it was at the job. This is a really, really nifty, cool piece of equipment. And if you want to learn how to use that, I will go on my profile and posted a video on how to treat a sprained or fractured wrist.
Overall, I'd give this first aid kit about a 4.3. It's a really solid first aid kit. The quality of the bag is really nice. One thing that I wish that it did have is a tourniquet, if I could have one wish.
Hopefully you learned something from this video. I highly encourage mothers, fathers, teachers to go ahead and give this a purchase. If you have any questions on how to use it, there's a QR code when you purchase it, and it tells you how to use each piece of equipment. But if you don't want to do that and you like watching JP, don't worry. I will be making videos on how to use all of this equipment, as this is my main first aid kit. If you need help passing your NREMT, I'm doing a flash sale right now with my NREMT handbook. It's only $1. Click the link in my bio. And remember, we study today so we can treat tomorrow. Done.